Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. You are watching Civil Engineering Survey YouTube channel. Today I am gonna show you isometric view setting in AutoCAD 2020. Before watching this video, subscribe my channel for more updates. Let's start. Before we enter the OS command, we just type here OS and enter by space and select snap and grid, and just we see here is a rectangular snap and isometric snap. If we working on a polar degree, we just click on that. First we show you isometric snap setting. Just click on it and click OK, and here is the view, which is the three views. Isoplane left views, which is the 19 between 150 degree, and isoplane top object, which is created between 30 and 150 degree. And here is isoplane right, which is object created between 30 and 90 degree. And we just start here. Let's type pl command, enter by space. Here is the view, how to view change, and we just cancel it and press F5, which is the left view, and again press F5, which is the top views. The cursor show top views and XY direction, and just again press F5, which is the right view, and we just simple pl line enter by space and click. Here is which is the orthogonally option off. We just click here by press F8 key, and here is the line which is created between 19 and 150 degree for a left view, and we just click here by dimensionally 150 and enter. And this is the line which is in right direction, and this is the line which is opposite direction. We just delete that. We just step by step work. Here is left. We just select left by press F5 button in function in keyboard. Again we type that and click OK and type 150, enter. Again we type 150. It is the left direction, which is 19 150. The angle between 19 150 is 60 degree, and we working on right way. Just type again, press F5 button. It is the top view, and this is right direction. Here we type 150, okay, and this is 90. We just 90 direction 150. And the other, which is top view, again press F5, PLN line enter, and 150 again, which is opposite direction 150, and bottom direction, which is not working. We here again press for a left direction F5, enter PL, check it for left, which is difference 60 degree, and a top view, which is difference 120 degree, and for right direction, which is the same 60 degree difference between 150 and 30, and 30 between 19 and right direction. We can apply H and this shape. click on it, just change the scale. Basically isometric view is the 2D view working just like show the object which is in 3D view. Thanks for watching.